through on the camera. Can you see it okay?
Yeah. I mean, it's a little small, but...
Yeah. I was afraid about the light.
Light seems to be okay. I mean, it's starting to dim now. But that's because the sun's going down, so...
Yeah. It's fun to drift, but that's not the fast way around the track.